To install TiviMate on your Firestick, start by enabling apps from unknown sources. Head to Settings, select My Fire TV, then Developer Options, and turn on Apps from Unknown Sources and ADB debugging. Confirm when prompted. Next, we need the Downloader app. From the home screen, go to the Find section, search for Downloader, and install it. Open the app and grant any necessary permissions. Now, let's download TiviMate. In Downloader, enter the URL https://tvimate.com. Click Go and scroll down and click the Download button and wait for the download to finish. Once it's done, select Install and then Open. Congratulations, TiviMate is installed. Open the app, click Add Playlist, and enter your IPTV provider's M3U URL or stream code's login. Click Next and let the channels load. Customize your settings, and you're all set to enjoy streaming your favorite channels.